Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, in today's video, I'm just going to provide you the information related to the mock test for the CSIR Net and the GATE exams. So here I will just provide you all the information about these tests, timing, the free test, and how you can join them, and all the steps related to the mock test. Clear? So if you are interested in the free mock test and you want to attend them, you can watch this video till the end so that you will be able to know everything about these tests, timing, and everything about them basically. Okay, so before starting the discussion about all those test details and everything, I would like to tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription as well. If you want to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net and GATE exams preparation, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So guys, here like the referral code has been mentioned, you need to mention it as it is, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. After taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will get many benefits, like you will be able to prepare for your upcoming exams with the guidance of all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus. Also guys, there we are having doubt clearing sessions in each and every course after some number of sessions. So that's how even if you are going to have any doubts there in any of the previous classes or anything which has been discussed, you can ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing sessions too. One more thing, that right now many courses are going on and many new courses are going to start soon. So if you want to attend the live classes of all these courses from the starting, or if you want to continue with these sessions, you want to continue your preparation, then you can join the Unacademy Plus subscription. You can take the subscription and you can start attending the live classes by all the top educators. Now one more thing, let's talk about the mock test. So this is CSIR Net Foundation test, which is gonna start on 10th January, and the timing of the session is 10 o'clock in the morning. In the description box of this video, I'm gonna provide all the links for the mock test, all the details like you will be able to get by clicking on those links. So you can check the description box and you can just know about the test more. About this test, okay, there are few more things about this combat test. So what are these details? Here everything has been mentioned, you can have a look at all these details. Also this is gonna be for general aptitude, mathematical sciences, and life sciences. So basically these are gonna be the subjects, okay, and you can even have a look at all the information mentioned here. Done. Now for the GATE exam also we are gonna have test. So on 9th January at 10 o'clock, this is gonna be the test which will start. But for the GATE exam, there is also gonna be a free test which will be on 9th January at 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so you can check the links for joining, or for like if you want to enroll in the test, that is given in the description box of this video. You can click on the links, okay, or of related test, whatever test you want to attempt. Clear? All the details you will get after clicking on the links too. Done. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope everything will be clear to all of you. Mainly this video was related to the test information, the date and the timing, everything has been mentioned on these slides. Also guys, if you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code Anjali Arora as mentioned here. All these important courses which are going on Unacademy Plus, which are our well structured and the well planned courses, will surely help you all to prepare very well for the upcoming exam, as well as you will be able to know about the right approach, concepts, and many important things related to your exam preparation, so that you will be able to take your preparation to the next level. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you, and you can check the description box to get the link of all these free mock tests. Thank you everyone. And there are going to be some of the mock tests which are for the free learners, some of the mock tests which are for the plus learners. So every detail will be mentioned in the description box. Like you can click on the respective test. Clear? A link. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end.